Hey, my name's Chelsea. So we're gonna start off. We're gonna have fun with some Pilates exercises. Starting off with one of the most challenging, but it's a great way to challenge the lung capacity and do some breath work. When you start with the hundreds, transition into the roll up, and then do a teaser and maybe some side lying exercises. So starting off with the 100, we're just gonna plant our feet onto the mat. We're going to make sure that our core is engaged, so rib to hip connection, coming up, chin to chest, finding that belly button to spine. We can start off with our legs either like this. If you want more of a challenge, you can plant those hands a little bit more into the mat and extend those legs 45 degrees. You're going to come up, you're going to press those hands like you're tapping water, inhaling for 5, exhaling for 5, exhaling and inhaling for 5, keeping that core engaged, continuing to breathe, keeping those shoulder blades off the mat like you're tapping water. Added challenge, you can lower your legs a little bit, but you want to make sure that you're maintaining a neutral spine here. Remembering to relax that jaw, continuing to breathe. And once you've hit 100, release onto the mat, shake it out. You can roll those knees into chest. Lengthen, stretch all the way to both sides of the room. As you come up, you're going to spread those feet apart, chin to chest. As you come up, belly button is coming to spine, and you're reaching forward, coming into a saw. So you're just turning and reaching your pinky finger to that opposite side of your foot. Up, lengthening, inhaling to reach, up and lengthen, and inhaling to reach. And now coming into a teaser position. So we're coming all the way down to the mat. Legs are extending. We're bringing those shoulder blades off the mat, and we're just holding like this into a teaser. Obviously, a modified version is you can just raise the legs up and down just like this, but we're trying to come all the way up, and we're trying to hold. Toes are pointed, and we're just gazing forward here. Now we'll try one of side series. So we're just coming to the edge of your mat. We're just resting on our forearms, and we're bringing those feet into a bit of a diagonal here, just to make sure that we're maintaining that core connection. You can teepee these hands here for support, and we're just raising that leg up and down. For leg kicks here, foot is flexed. We're squeezing our quads, feeling our abductor muscles. Our torso is remaining tall, shoulders are down and back, and we're maintaining that core connection here. Once you've done a few of these, you can hold it at the top. You're now pointing. You're going to do a few circles on one side, maintaining that core connection, trying to keep those hips stable, and reversing for 8 on this side. And now front and back, so you're kicking forward and pointing back, kicking forward, fronting back, forward, back. Again, maintaining that rib to hip connection, continuing to breathe. Inhaling, exhaling as you point, inhaling to flex, exhaling to point. And pulsing it up just to continue with that time under tension. Now as you bring this foot forward, you're just going to work that inner thigh, finishing it off with some up and down pulses here. And that's just a quick look, and hope you enjoyed.